The Quran as it explains itself, page number 2.
Any of his creation to the exclusion of his realization is nothing but short-sightedness. All human achievements find their ultimate source in him, since he is the exclusive provider of all mental and physical resources. 3:189-190, 9:112, 35:27-28. The source of instant beneficence and eternal mercy, who encompasses the entire universe, nourishing and taking care of all things for what they are meant to be, just as a mother's womb nourishes the embryo to completion without any returns. He is the absolute owner of the day when all creation shall have completed their journey of existence, action, and evolution to the ultimate just outcome. And he is the supreme appointer of the system of life that mankind may live by in order to attain success in both lives. All decisions in this system will be made according to divine commands given in this book. And this system will most certainly prevail over all man-made systems in this world. The divine law of just recompense is gradually taking mankind to the day of final judgment in his court to account for all they did with their gift of life. This is a day the advent of which is beyond any doubt. 3:189-190, 9:32-33, 17:111, 43:84, 82:18-19. Deen equals the divinely prescribed system of life. Deen equals the day of judgment. Equals the time of ultimate just outcome. Equals the day of resurrection. Equals when the divine system rules the earth as it rules the universe. Realizing these facts, we obey you alone, and we ask you alone to help us as we obey you. Such will be the ones to establish the divinely prescribed system of life on earth. Iyak equals you alone. Abd and Ibada, roots for Nabud. Equals obedience. Equals service. Equals serving God by serving his creation. Usually, but erroneously, translated exclusively as worship. 3:78, 5:44-48, 1240. So, guide us to the straight path that leads us to real success by providing us with faculties that listen and not just hear, observe and not just see, analyze and not follow blindly. 1736. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed blessings as a natural consequence of obeying the commands. 247, 31:20. They were not of those who earned your wrath the naturally bitter consequences of misdeeds, nor of those who lost their direction. 2:61, 7:152, 29:69, 37:69-71, 45:23, 61:5. Gadhab of Makdub. Equals wrath. Equals anger. Equals being seized by divine laws due to misdeeds. The term can be taken only figuratively when used in page number 2.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them, so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences. Quran chapter 65 at Talaq verse 12.